So far in our Mech Minutes Timing Belts and Pulley series, you've learned how to identify the appropriate belt for your application and the basics of setup, including tensioning, alignment, and typical wear signs. If you missed out on any of the previous episodes, feel free to hit pause and go back to get caught up. In this episode, we'll take a look at types of mounting for pulleys and the main uses of each one. Beginning with the most inexpensive options, good for fitting into tight budget scenarios where the load is not a big constraint, set screws provide security for only the lowest loads. These use friction of the set screw against the set screw flat on the shaft for their holding power. With the addition of a keyway, they can provide a mounting solution for low and medium loads while still maintaining low cost. Often when installing, the timing or orientation of the pulley cannot be adjusted freely since the set screw fits to a set screw flat and a keyway and key fit in only one orientation. Offering some clamping force with the ability to make more fine-tuned adjustments to the timing of the pulley, a split hub also offers a relatively low-cost solution for medium loads as well. Quick disconnect, or QD bushings, an older technology used primarily on HTD high-load applications, tighten on a shaft and allow the user to mount from either side of the sprocket. Finally, for the highest load applications, the taper lock, also known as the keyless bushing, is very flexible for design, giving users options to mix both imperial and metric bore sizes. This unit, while very popular, does have some drawbacks, namely that it can only mount from one side, thus limiting its effective in-application utility. Determining the best mounting method for the pulleys in your application shouldn't be difficult. In fact, it may be the easiest part of fitting in a timing belt and pulley system into your machine. If you've gone through the entire Mech Minutes Timing Belts and Pulley series and still aren't sure if they can provide a solution to your automation issue, come back for our next video, which will highlight some of the common applications for timing belts and pulleys.